Hey there, and welcome back to High-End Horizons, your go-to channel for all things related to real estate investing. In today's video, we're exploring 15 top strategies for investing in the housing market. No matter if you are an experienced investor or just getting started, this video is jam-packed with valuable tips and techniques to help you elevate your investment game. So, let's dive right in. 1. Buy and hold strategy. The buy and hold strategy is a classic approach to real estate investing. By purchasing properties and holding on to them for the long term, you can capitalize on both rental income and property appreciation. This strategy works well in a growing market, where property values are expected to rise over time, allowing you to build wealth through passive income and equity growth. 2. House flipping. House flipping is a popular, fast-paced investment strategy. It involves buying a property, making necessary renovations or improvements, and selling it quickly for a profit. This approach requires a deep understanding of the real estate market, renovation expertise, and the ability to work within tight timeframes to minimize holding costs. Successful flippers can enjoy significant returns on their investments, but must be prepared to navigate the risks associated with market fluctuations and renovation challenges. 3. Vacation rentals. As platforms like Airbnb and VRBO continue to gain traction, vacation rentals have become an increasingly attractive investment opportunity. By offering short-term rentals in desirable locations, you can generate a substantial income stream. This strategy requires effective marketing, excellent customer service, and property management skills to ensure a positive guest experience and repeat bookings. Additionally, be mindful of local regulations and tax implications when entering the vacation rental market. 4. Long-term rentals. Long-term rentals provide a stable and secure investment option. By renting out your property to tenants for extended periods, you can ensure consistent cash flow and benefit from property appreciation over time. Successful long-term rentals require thorough tenant screening, regular property maintenance, and a strong understanding of landlord-tenant laws in your area. 5. Real Estate Investment Trusts, or REITs. REITs offers a hands-off approach to real estate investing by allowing you to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties without the hassle of managing them yourself. They provide liquidity, dividends, and the potential for capital appreciation, making them an attractive option for investors seeking passive income. When investing in REITs, research the types of properties the trust focuses on, the management team's track record, and the overall financial health of the trust. 6. Wholesaling. Wholesaling is a unique strategy that involves identifying undervalued properties, negotiating contracts with sellers, and then assigning those contracts to end buyers for a fee. This approach requires strong negotiation skills, market knowledge, and a network of investors looking for deals. Wholesaling can be a profitable venture without the need for significant capital or property ownership, but demands dedication and the ability to find and close deals quickly. 7. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding platforms allow investors to pool their resources and invest in larger real estate projects, providing them access to more significant deals with potentially higher returns. This option democratizes real estate investing, giving smaller investors the opportunity to participate in deals that were once reserved for institutional investors. When selecting a crowdfunding platform, consider factors like the platform's track record, minimum investment requirements, and the types of projects they offer. 8. House hacking. House hacking is a creative strategy that involves purchasing a multi-unit property, living in one unit, and renting out the others. This approach can significantly reduce or even eliminate your living expenses, allowing you to save money or invest in additional properties. House hacking works well with duplexes, triplexes, and even larger multifamily properties, and can be an excellent entry point for first-time investors looking to gain hands-on experience in property management. 9. Commercial real estate. Commercial properties such as office buildings, retail spaces, and industrial warehouses can offer higher returns than residential investments, but may also require more capital and experience to manage effectively. These properties are typically leased to businesses, which can result in longer lease terms and more predictable cash flow. To succeed in commercial real estate investing, it's crucial to understand the local market dynamics, conduct thorough due diligence, and build a network of industry professionals. 10. Real estate syndication. Real estate syndication allows multiple investors to pool their resources and invest in larger, more lucrative properties that would be difficult to acquire individually. This approach offers the opportunity to invest in high-quality assets and benefit from the expertise of experienced sponsors who are responsible for managing the property and making key decisions. As a passive investor in syndication, you can enjoy the benefits of real estate ownership without the day-to-day management responsibilities. 11. BRRRR Strategy. The BRRRR strategy stands for buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. This innovative approach maximizes returns by leveraging the equity of rehabbed properties for future investments. By purchasing distressed properties at a discount, making improvements, and refinancing after stabilizing the asset, you can pull out most or all of your initial investment while retaining ownership and cash flow. The BRRRR strategy requires a strong understanding of property valuation, renovation costs, and financing options to execute effectively. 12. Tax lien investing. By purchasing tax liens on delinquent properties, you can earn interest income or potentially acquire the property at a reduced price if the owner fails to pay the outstanding taxes. Tax lien investing can be a high-reward strategy, but it also carries risks, such as the possibility that the property may be in poor condition or have other outstanding liens. To succeed in tax lien investing, you'll need to research the properties thoroughly, understand the local tax lien auction process, and be prepared to act quickly when opportunities arise. 13. Land banking. Land banking involves buying undeveloped land and holding it for future development. This strategy requires patience and foresight, but can lead to substantial returns when the land is eventually developed or sold. Successful land banking requires a deep understanding of local zoning laws, market trends, and growth potential. Additionally, it's essential to consider the holding costs and potential tax implications associated with owning undeveloped land. 14. Real estate notes. Investing in real estate notes or mortgages allows you to earn interest income without the responsibilities of property ownership and management. This strategy involves purchasing the debt associated with a property, either as a performing note or non-performing note, and collecting interest payments from the borrower. Real estate notes can offer passive income and diversification without your investment portfolio, but require a thorough understanding of note valuation, borrower analysis, and the legal process for debt collection. 15. Real estate mutual funds. Real estate mutual funds provide an additional option for diversifying your investment portfolio by gaining exposure to a mix of properties and real estate-related assets. These funds are managed by professional portfolio managers who make investment decisions on your behalf. When considering real estate mutual funds, research the fund's historical performance, management team, and investment strategy to ensure it aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. And that wraps up our comprehensive guide to the 15 top strategies for investing in the housing market. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to real estate investing. The key is to find the strategy that best aligns with your goals, financial resources, and risk tolerance. So take the time to research each method and consider partnering with experienced professionals to help you navigate the world of real estate investing. If you found this video valuable, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to High End Horizons for more insightful content on all aspects of real estate investing. Also, don't hesitate to drop any questions or comments you may have in the section below. We love hearing from our community.